Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before taking this course. These are just guidelines. They are not mandatory, but they will help you. You should have a basic understanding or knowledge of database concepts. So you should know what a database is, what a table is. We are going to be using Microsoft SQL Server, so an understanding of how the SQL Server Management Studio tool works will also be useful. Again, it's not mandatory because the course is easy enough to follow along, even if you haven't got these basic requirements. Another thing that will come in helpful, again not mandatory, is T-SQL. T-SQL is Microsoft's own implementation of the standard SQL language. So these are just some basic guidelines, but they are not mandatory because the course is so basic you can follow along without them. But having these basic skills will give you an understanding and make it easier for you to follow along in the course. Who should take this course? This course basically can be taken by a beginner database administrator, data scientist or aspiring data scientist, aspiring data analyst or novice data analyst, aspiring big data professionals, and generally anyone who's interested in data. The course is so basic that all you need basically is basic knowledge of computer. If you know your way around the computer and you're interested in a course like this that relates to data, then this course should be suitable for you also. Let's have a look at what you learn. So you learn how to install Visual Studio and SQL Server, how to create a database, how to create a table, how to populate a table, how to attach a database table to a project inside Visual Studio, how to design a form with data set, how to create new C# projects in Visual Studio, how to add controls to a form, and how to customize the form. You also learn how to test and run your data apps from within the debug window, and also how to run your apps outside of Visual Studio. The course format and duration. The course is video based and it's approximately 2 hours long. Thank you and bye for now.